Okay, now we're going to show you how to dye some pills. These are the ingredients. You will need some food coloring, small plate or a container, paper towel, pills, and a toothpick. First thing you do is take a toothpick and break it about a third of the way up, and then file off the ends a little bit with a nail file so that you get a reasonably flat end to dye it with. Put your pills on a paper towel with the side up that you want to dye. These pills are scored, so we're going to put a drop on each side. Put a very small amount of the food coloring, just a couple of drops, in the plate. Take the end of the toothpick, the non-sharp end, dip it in the food coloring, and immediately put a dot on the pill. And you can repeat that for the other half. Notice the food coloring may spread a bit and may change color a little depending on the pill. There's an orange covered pill, there's a plain uncoated pill. But either pill now has two bright green dots. Basically, that's it. Let them dry. When they're done, you can put them back in your pill box. This is not quite dry yet. For the coated pills, it may take a lot longer for them to dry. But you can see the basic thought. You now have pills that have two little green color dots. I guess you could blot them with the paper towel too, until the color is set. And you do this with all the same pills all at once. Now you can also do this with different food colorings. You can mix it up. You can have, say, one green dot, one yellow dot. You can have two dots. All you have to do, remember, is to make a guide. So a guide is fairly simple. Just take a piece of your paper towel, and again, very small amount of food coloring, and put two dots on the paper towel. Once that's dry, cover it with a piece of Scotch tape and tape this to your pill bottle. So you can see that the pill bottle has two green dots for all the pills inside. You should also tape this to your planner or other things. So this will remind you that all your pills of one type will have two green dots. The bottle will have two green dots. The pill planner row or column will have two green dots. And you'll know that two green dots is, in this case, lamotrigine. Whereas two green dots on the orange pill is allopurinol. Now again, later on, you could come up with different patterns. Takes very, very little food coloring. This will be a pill with 4 on one side and 2 on the other. If you don't have a pill that you want to split, just one dot. Once you let it dry, the food coloring is stable, the pill won't be destroyed, it's not falling apart in pieces. If, however, the pill doesn't take the dye, if the coating is too strong, or if the pill disintegrates, you'll have to come up with another method or have some uncolored pills. So this is a simple way to colorize your pills, color code them with food coloring. There are 4 basic food colorings: black, green, red, and yellow. They can be used to mix many different colors, or you can just use the 4 different colors to tell you which pills are, especially with different combination of numbers of dots. And again, we'll blot this one. This one shouldn't need blotting. And there you have it. Color-coded pills.